Hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you some life hacks for just general bits and pieces around the yard that make our life a little bit easier. So for my first life hack tip, I fill out a diary for all my horses when they're in work. This will help if you, like me, you've got loads of horses to ride, or maybe if you're in the winter months just lacking a little bit of motivation. It really helps me personally to see each horse, what they've done day to day throughout the week. It just really, it's a visual way for me to see what they're doing, making sure they're jumping enough or flatting enough or going out training. It just helps me to keep really organised. So yeah, a good book just listing what they're doing. And then I also have it by my horse's stables, so I can just fill it in, and also any other extra details like whether or not they're going to use the equine, or if they've got something coming in to see them, like Carol, our sponsor, who does all their backs and body work. So yeah, it just really keeps me up on what they're up to on a day-to-day basis. Life hack number 2, beach towel pegs. Last year I was on holiday on the sunbed, and I noticed the people were clipping their towels onto their sunbeds. I'd never seen these before, but they are so good. I use them in the barn for hanging head collars or clipping up wet brushing boots outside horses' stables, whatever. They are so handy. So yeah, beach towel pegs, you can get them on Amazon or eBay. They're really, really cheap and really, really handy. So life hack number 3, if you have a horse with a grey tail, white tail, especially if they're really dirty, we use tail bags. So very nicely modelled by Evie here. She wears a tail bag most of the time really, and it just keeps her tail clean and not getting stained. You can see we just plait it loosely, so around the edges in a French plait, so that she doesn't wee and poo and put mare juice on the side bits. So that's how we keep their tails nice and white and clean. So life hack number 4, we get these free buckets with lids on. So we use them to make up the feeds in and store them, because obviously they've got a lid, so they're really mouse and rat proof and dog proof. It keeps them really tidy, really easy to clean, and we just pour them into the horses' feed buckets. We use black ones for either cleaning products or storing things in. We use them in the lorry to keep our brushing boots, sets of brushing boots in, and then I label them. So yeah, they are really, really handy. We love them. I'm sure that you can get other boxes with lids with similar size, but they are really, really handy. Day to day, we wouldn't be without them. Life hack number 5, in the lorry we have these numbner bags, so some for dressage, some for jumping numbners, and I get them from Tidy Tack Rooms. Really, really handy, really quite cheap. You get like a pack of 5 or something, I think. So they look like this, really good for keeping numbners stored and ready to go in the lorry. Life hack number 6, in the lorry we keep a container of plastic flowers, not to look pretty, but actually when we're out cross-country schooling or anywhere training, some of our young horses can be a little bit worried about the flowers, so when the fences are dressed and things like that, or around the dressage ring, so we keep flowers, and they just get used to jumping over them, being around them, seeing them as part of their normal day-to-day life. Okay, so life hack number 7, using a dustbin to make hay nets. So you literally, it just makes it so much quicker. You hook the hay net over the bin and stuff, and it makes it super, super quick, and you can get loads of hay into your hay nets really, really nice and quickly. And it keeps them nice and still. If you've got loads of hay nets to make like us, it makes it really, really quick. Now if you use the bigger hay nets like we do, so that's fine for a day net, but if you've got nice big hay nets like this, we just use a wheelie bin, pop the hay net around the side, exactly the same theory, and it's super quick, and we get loads in our hay nets. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our life hack video and you picked up some tips to make your life a little bit easier. So please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, GG Eventing, on social media channels, GG Eventing. See you soon.